हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सुमन राय। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने सर्कमफेरेंस एंड एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल चैप्टर के कॉन्सेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन किया है तथा कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन भी दिया है। तो आइए इसी कड़ी में इस चैप्टर से कुछ और प्रश्नों को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो एक बार फिर से फॉर्मूलाज को याद करें। सर्कमफेरेंस इक्वल टू पाई इंटू डी, और हम जानते हैं कि डी इक्वल टू 2r, सो सी इक्वल टू 2 पाई r. Now area equal to pi r square, it means pi into r. अगर डायमीटर के फॉर्म में लें तो pi into d upon 2 whole square, it means 1 upon 4 pi d square. So now area of circular ring or concentric circle equal to pi in bracket capital R square minus small r square. यहाँ कैपिटल R क्या है, वो रेडियस है आउटर सर्कल का, और स्मॉल आर क्या है, वो रेडियस है इनर सर्कल का. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 26 ऑफ ICSE बोर्ड S Chand publication. So question number 8 is here. A gear 12 cm in diameter is turning a gear 18 cm in diameter. When the smaller gear has 42 revolutions, how many revolution has the larger one made? सो हियर इज़ द सॉल्यूशन. ऑलरेडी ये फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको बताया है कि नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन सर्कमफेरेंस. सो डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू सर्कमफेरेंस इनटू नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन. सो सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला आप जानते हैं, पाई इंटू डी इंटू नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन. हियर डायमीटर इज 12 cm and number of revolution is 42. So now put the values of diameter and number of revolution, and don't put value of pi because at the time of calculation pi and pi will be cancelled out. So distance equal to 12 pi into 42, it will come 504 pi. Now number of revolution equal to distance upon circumference, already हम जानते हैं. So we can find circumference of larger gear also and put the value of circumference in this formula. Here circumference will come 18 pi. So number of revolution equal to 504 pi upon 18 pi. As usual, pi and pi will cancel out, and after calculation we will get 28 revolution, and this is the right answer. Now question number 9 is here. A circular road runs around a circular ground if the difference between the circumference of the outer circle and inner circle is 66 meter. Then find the width of the road. So solution is here. Let radius of outer circle equal to capital R and radius of inner circle equal to small r. So according to question, difference of circumference of outer circle and inner circle is given. So 2 pi r minus 2 pi r equal to 66. Here take 2 pi as a common and r minus r in the bracket equal to 66, and put the value of pi in the formula. It will be 2 into 22 upon 7 in bracket r minus r equal to 66. R minus r is the width of the road. So r minus r equal to 66 into 7 upon 2 into 22, and after calculation width of road you will get 10.5 meter. This is the right answer. Now question number 10. A circular water fountain 6.6 meter in diameter is surrounded by a path of width 1.5 meter. Then what is the area of the path? So again solution is here. Inner radius equal to diameter upon 2. So 6.6 upon 2, it will come 3.3 meter. And outer radius equal to small r plus width of path. So 3.3 plus 1.5, it will come 4.8 meter. As we know that area of path equal to pi in bracket r square minus r square. So put the values of pi, capital R and small r in this formula and calculate it, and the answer we get 38.19 meters square. Now question number 11 is here. The area enclosed between the circumference of two concentric circles is 16 pi centimeter square, and the radii are in the ratio 5:3. what is the area of the outer circle? So solution is here. Let capital R equal to 5x and small r equal to 3x. And we know that area of concentric circle equal to pi in bracket r square minus r square. So now put all the values. So area is 16 pi and capital R is 5x and small r is 3x. So 16 pi equal to pi in bracket 5x square minus 3x square. Here pi and pi cancelled out, and after calculation x square equal to 1 will come. So x equal to under root 1 and the value will come 1. And get the value of capital R and small r, it will be 5 and 3 respectively. So now we can find area of outer circle equal to pi r square. So here we are using value of pi equal to 3.14. So area of outer circle equal to 3.14 into 5 into 5. So after calculation 78.5 centimeter square is the right answer. So my dear students, to get more solution of sums, please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. और अगर आप किसी स्पेशल चैप्टर के सम्स का सॉल्यूशन चाहते हैं तो कमेंट में अवश्य लिखें. थैंक्स एवरीवन एंड टेक केयर.